Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes on Monday, the 16th of December. Starting off with Hawkwing, and here you can see that there's been a long-awaited breakout here through the 50-day moving average and this resistance line from October. Above the initial intraday high of November at 1.05, we're looking for a target as high as an October resistance line projection at 1.7 pence. Stop loss on the bull argument, obviously back below the 50-day line if you can afford to risk that much. Next, one of the stocks of the autumn, Metalnrg. Here you can see that the shares seem to be readying themselves for a new leg to the upside. Probably need to see an end-of-day close through 0.7 to give us a retest of the best levels towards 1 pence, or in fact, that line now up to that line from July now up to 1.1 pence as the target. Stop loss back below 0.5 at this particular stage. Stock which I haven't covered for a long time, and for obvious reasons, given its rather poor performance to date. We've got Live Company there, so down from sort of 75p plus in the summer. Looking for an end-of-day close above the October resistance line at 32 pence to give us the chance of a retest of at least the 50-day line at 40 pence and hopefully towards the 200-day moving average at 48 pence early in the new year. Stop loss back below 25 pence at the moment. Another stock which has been in the wars and has tried to bounce back today is Powerhouse Energy. See the shares back down towards a quarter of a penny at the worst last week, but this week trying to make it towards a line of resistance at 35 pence, which is the initial target. If you can get an end of day or weekly close above that, then perhaps the shares could head back to the main 2019 resistance zone at 0.5 pence. Stop loss at this stage back below 0.27 should have just about cover it on that situation. Stock which does appear to be trying to rehabilitate itself with this converging or symmetrical triangle that we've got is Sabien Technology. 0.21 is the level to break on an end of day or end of week close basis. That would then allow the stock to potentially retest October resistance at 0.32. Stop loss at the moment back below 0.17 for these particular shares. Another stock which has spiked quite high today is U Group. Gap through the 50-day moving average rather, and through this falling wedge as well at 84 pence or 85 pence in fact. And the view at this stage is that while we're above the November peak at 108 pence, there could be further gains towards 150 to 160, which was the September resistance zone for the shares. That's it from me today. More updates tomorrow.